Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Yaks, and this is episode 190 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He reads the questions, he answers the questions. We read all the questions and the answers. We take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you in the Leonardo Lounge on the Carnival Paradise. So on today's episode, we're talking about, is Carnival leaving the port of Los Angeles? Does the zero proof Cheers package start on day 2 out of Norfolk too? Can I bring those little single serve liquid coffee flavor creamers? Leg compression machine. Can I bring it on board? And are there gluten-free options for the new donuts and beignets?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question 1. This cruiser said they have a cruise booked to Hawaii on the Radiance in January 2027, but they've read that Carnival is leaving the port of Los Angeles. And they want to know, will their cruise still take place? John says he doesn't know who told him this, and it's not completely true. With the dancing of the ships, they have taken one ship away, and I believe they're sending it to Australia. But they've already announced the cruises 26, 27, and part of 28 already on the Panorama and Radiance out of the port of Los Angeles, also known as Long Beach. So no, they are not leaving Long Beach, California. They're just taking a ship away in the dancing of the ships. Question 2. This cruiser wanted to know if they're cruising out of Norfolk, Virginia, the Cheers package normally starts on days 2. Is that going to be the same for the zero proof Cheers package? John said no. There is no alcohol in the zero proof package. So unlike the Virginia state legislation, that doesn't count. They do monitor the amount of liquor or ban the amount of liquor you can do in the Cheers package on day 1. Don't know why. Texas does it too, I believe. But zero proof Cheers, not a problem. So if you like the NA drinks, you're going to be able to get them on day 1. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question 3. This cruiser wants to know if they can bring a box of single-serve liquid French vanilla coffee, Milli Vanilli creamer. It's a new thing. Vanilla creams, well, a box of 50 specifically, in their carry-on, or should they bring the powder? John said it is fine in the little plastic containers, but not in the bottle, and the powder is also acceptable. So if you like the flavored creamers, you can bring them on. Definitely put them in your check baggage if you're doing the liquid, or your carry-on, because those suitcases get beat up, and that little thing pops up, and now you got French vanilla flavored clothes. Put it in the carry-on, but you can do it. Question 4. This cruiser has to use a leg compression machine, and it's about the size of a CPAP and plugs into a regular plug. They only use it for about an hour each night, but they want to know, are they allowed to bring this? John said, based on what was shared, this is absolutely fine to bring on board. So just like what we recommended with everybody with their CPAP machines, definitely carry it on or put it in your carry-on. Those things are expensive. I'd imagine this machine is as well. And the luggage, just like the last question, it gets beat up. So yeah, you can definitely bring it in your carry-on. And I would bring an extension cord just in case the ship doesn't have one for you. Last question. This cruiser wanted to know if there will be gluten-free options for the new donuts and beignets. John said, not at the moment, but in the future, they can possibly look at it, but right now, there is no option. So the new donuts and beignets, which hopefully we'll be trying today, by the way, no gluten-free. So that's been episode 190 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.